Hey friends, when you own a wonderful WordPress website for your business and services, like this one is a very good website that we created during a demonstration of a theme Marlab, and this is a absolute business website which is really very good. But you might be wondering how you can embed, how you can add the document file on your pages or on your post. Like for example, if you want to add a document file like MS Word document, MX Excel or PowerPoint that may be directly shown on your web page, how you can do this easily. So this is the purpose of this video. I'm going to show you a very simple and easy solution, and that is going to be very effective as well. What we are targeting, so how we can embed the PowerPoint document, PDF document or the Excel file, even Excel file in very interactive formats like this, and Word file, and all using the existing repository of WordPress or any external repository as well. Like you can integrate the Google Docs here and Dropbox here. You can use the external link even for embedding the document. So it is going to be super simple, and it is coming from a plugin that we are going to use for this purpose, and it is a very popular plugin, and it is named as Embed Any Document Plus. And this is a WordPress plugin that is available at codecanyon.net through the video description link just for $39. It is a very effective plugin for embedding any type of document on your WordPress website. So you can see the screenshots here. If we talk about the screenshots, so how we are uploading the document and the document style, the controls, how we can upload the documents. And let me play a short video clip for you. So it is from the plugin developer itself. So adding a document is going to be super easy at your WordPress website. This is PDF file, and it is simply embedded here. Okay, great. So I'm going to show you in effect how we can do this easily on this website. This is a wonderful website as I am using, and you can also have the theme, the Marlab, and the website that you target can be easily made with the WordPress or selected WordPress theme. Okay, so without any further delay, what we are targeting, how to embed any document on WordPress website. Embed Word, PowerPoints and Excel file directly on your WordPress website or even from external repository. So we are answering multiple questions on every day for WordPress website from our visitors. You are also welcome to ask any question regarding your WordPress website. And I got this wonderful question, how to embed any document on a WordPress website. So this is a simplest solution that I can find for you, and I have already installed the said plugin. And the plugin name is again Embed Any Document Plus, and it is available at codecanyon.net through the video description link, and it has already got a very good number of sales and a good number of reviews as well. So good rating of reviews. It has been developed by AOS and since I have already installed the plugin, here is the settings of this plugin. So setting is going to be super simple. We can decide the default size of document, like width and height we can decide, and show the download link, no download, or we can control the download for logged in users, or even we can allow all users to download the document. So and download text is download, so the file size is here, Google Picker view is here, so we can simply save the changes after making our selection. And we can also go for cloud setting, from where we are going to link the document, we are going to embed the document. Like we can use the Dropbox, Google Drive, or the Box, or even OneDrive. So we have all the options for embedding the document at our WordPress website with this plugin. And if we target to embed a PDF document, like let us take this simple PDF file. and that I wish to add at my WordPress website. This is my WordPress website and the backend is here, and I'll add on a page and on a post just to show you. So if I click on add a new page, so the page title can be Embed Document, and further I am going to click this. So this is Elementor based website, and I'm using the default editor for the timing. You can use the Elementor as well, so it is very simple. And I'm going to click on add, and here I will type the doc, and here the document option is here, and I'm going to upload the document. All the options are here. Since I have yet not configured the cloud options, so it is not available for now. So you can do this easily by using the API key or credentials. And I'm going to upload the document here, and it is going to be PDF sample, and okay, good. And it is simply here taking long, or it is being forwarded. And now I'm going to simply publish the document. Now while it is loading, so I have already published the page, and here is the page, so we can view the page directly. Embed document page is here, and it is loading, and it is here. How simple it was. So all the times we cannot add the information on the website in form of web pages or in form of post. There might be several requirements when we wish to add the PowerPoint presentation, Excel files, PDF files, or even Word files at our website directly. And for this purpose, that the documents can be shown directly on the page or on the post. So it is not like in download format. It is visible directly on the page, as you can see on this page. So it is a very, very, very effective plugin through which we can simply embed the page. Now I'll take another example, and this time I'm going to add a post. Like if you are willing to add the document on the post, we can take different document types as well, and we can use external links as well, as I said. So the post embed is here, and I'm going to again use this option. So this is the document, and it is again simple. So I'm uploading the document since it is already uploaded. So I will use this media library one, and this is again publish and publish. Again, very simple. So we can simply view the post. So it works well on the post pages, wherever you want to add the document. And this is being very simple for without having any code knowledge. You don't need to write any code, even a single line, or you don't need any technical setting. So download option is also available. The file size has been clearly visible shown here. So the person who wishes to download the document can use this link for downloading the document, and it is really very cool. So the Embed Any Document Plus is the option for embedding any type of document using the WordPress media library or from external link. So from wherever we want to add, and this is going to be very wonderful solution. So I'm sure you are going to use this solution. It is very effective and easy to use, and you can read all these details here through the video description link. And for buying the plugin, you are requested to follow the description link only, that you can buy. The plugin can be bought on the code canyon.net just for $39. Why it is important to follow the video description link? Because we are here to support you in every manner. However, the plugin developer is offering you the 6-month support from the plugin developer itself. So Ausmin, and the future updates, you are going to get all the future updates, and the quality has already checked by the Envato. So it is very worth spending $39 on such features, such a great feature. So, and we are definitely take advantage of such great options on WordPress website, and that is available in form of plugin. So it is really cool. So we covered this question here, how to embed any document on WordPress website. and embed Word, PowerPoints or Excel files directly on WordPress website, either using the WordPress media library section or from external library, external repository. I'm sure this video remained helpful, and you are also welcome to ask any question here on the I Create platform. You are welcome to join the platform as well, and all it is going to be free for you. Ask any question, ask as many question as you want, and we will try to answer your question directly or in form of a video. So the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website, and till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.